In this video, we will use request library in Python to send GET requests to a website and then print the content of the response. First, we can open gedit editor in Kali Linux by typing gedit and then the name of our program file, web.py. First, we need to import request library. We can type import request and then we will instantiate a request object by calling get method and save into a variable rec. In get method, we can type the name of our target website. And then we print the content of the response by typing print and then rec dot text. Then we save the file. We can open a new terminal to run our program. To run, we need to type Python and then the name of our program file, web.py. You can see it printed the response. For more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, NetRocks Tech. Thank you.